Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from UKG Pro paychecks in the US, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from UKG Pro paychecks in the US, begin by logging into your UKG Pro account. Use your company credentials to access the system. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay section on the main dashboard. Select the Paycheck option from the available choices. Here, you will see a list of your recent paychecks. Choose the paycheck you wish to withdraw from. Click on the paycheck to view the detailed breakdown. Next, locate the withdraw or transfer option within the paycheck details. Follow the prompts to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to select your preferred withdrawal method. Options typically include direct deposit to a bank account or receiving a physical check. Make sure to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review your withdrawal details for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, submit the withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message acknowledging your request. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Once processed, monitor your bank account for the deposited funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your HR or payroll department for assistance. Be aware of any processing times or fees associated with your withdrawal method. Finally, ensure you keep a record of your withdrawal for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.